Dive into the captivating story of the 1957 1-cent coin, a small treasure with a big history. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the fascinating design, historical significance, and potential value of this iconic penny. Uncover the mysteries behind its creation and learn how a simple coin from 1957 could be worth millions today. Don't miss this rare opportunity to unravel the secrets of the 1957 1-cent coin. Greetings, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a numismatic adventure as we unravel the rich history and incredible value behind the 1957 1-cent coin. Historical background. The year 1957 holds more than just memories, it marks a significant chapter in the world of coins. The 1957 1-cent coin, with its distinct design, reflects both the era it hails from and the craftsmanship of its creators. Design exploration. Let's take a closer look at the design that graces this humble penny. The obverse features the profile of President Abraham Lincoln, while the reverse showcases the iconic Lincoln Memorial. The symbolism embedded in these images adds layers of historical significance to this small but mighty coin. Value revelation. Now, here's where it gets truly exciting. Some 1957 1-cent coins have skyrocketed in value, reaching into the millions. Whether it's due to minting errors, rarity, or other factors, these seemingly ordinary coins have become numismatic treasures sought after by collectors worldwide. Expert insights. To shed more light on the potential worth of your 1957 1-cent coin, we spoke to numismatic experts who shared valuable insights. Factors such as condition, minting location, and any unique characteristics play a crucial role in determining the coin's value. In conclusion, the 1957 1-cent coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a time capsule that tells a story of its era. So, before you dismiss that old penny in your jar as mere pocket change, consider the possibility that you might be holding a rare and valuable piece of history. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of numismatics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow coin enthusiasts. Until next time, happy collecting.